I've heard of SMART goals. What's your take on all of that?
My mind, a goal is something that's less specific, more nebulous, more general, more sales. We want to grow the company, that kind of stuff, those kind of loftier, less measurable things. I prefer to have those kinds of goals and then SMART objectives. So, SMART, for folks who've never heard the acronym, specific, measurable, actionable, relevant, timely. So, we can't have a SMART objective that isn't specific. You have to be able to measure it. You have to be able to do this thing. It has to be relevant. We can't pull in our pet project or a pet peeve and address it in this area because it's not, because it's a good time to get this taken off our pet peeve list. And it has to have a timeline, it has to have a due date. And a due date could be weekly, could be every Monday, it could be the first of every month, but it has to have a time component. So many folks have heard the word SMART goals. I prefer SMART objectives as kind of a subset or a subheading under the goal. The goal would be more revenue. The SMART objective would be 92% close rate, for example.